VkidsTV.
Get ready for school. Wake up! Time to open your eyes, stretch, and start your day. Make your bed. Tidy up your bed so it's neat and cozy for when you come back home. Brush your teeth. Clean your teeth using a toothbrush and toothpaste to keep them healthy and shiny. Take a shower. Wash your body with water and soap to feel fresh and clean. Dress yourself. Put on your clothes for the day, whether it's a school uniform or your favorite outfit. Eat your breakfast. Enjoy a yummy meal to fuel your body and brain for the day ahead. Pack your school bag. Gather your books, pencils, and everything you need for school into your bag so you're ready to learn. Now you're all set for a fantastic day at school. Remember, following these steps helps you start your day. Have fun, little ones.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.